Trump says he does not blame Turkey for S-400 system. Palestinian president suspends all deals with Israel. Hamas backs Abbas move to suspend deals with Israel. Hamas hails China for stance on Jerusalem demolitions. Syria, a southern Russian attacks in Idlib killed 12. Yemen's Houthis claim drone attack on Saudi air base. Saudi-led coalition says it downed Houthi drone. Libyan government forces target Haftar held Al-Jufra air base. Ethnic insurgents kill 4 cops in Myanmar. Afghanistan, 4 policemen killed in suicide car bombing. Afghan Taliban deputy heads to Indonesia for talks. Turkey, Malaysia and Pakistan to lead Muslim Renaissance.